So in this problem which we have here, what we're going to do is we're supposed to find the inverse of this matrix over here using elementary row transformation. So let's first take this matrix which we have here and name that as A. Okay, so when you're finding the inverse of a matrix, you should always remember that a matrix is equal to the identity matrix into that matrix itself. So that's pretty obvious. So now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute the value of A on the LHS and the value of I on the RHS. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make the A matrix on the LHS into 1, 0 and 0, 1, which is an identity matrix. And when we're going to make the A matrix on the LHS into an identity matrix, automatically identity matrix becomes the inverse matrix. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the second row and minus it 2 times the first row. Okay, so once you do that, you get this matrix over here. So once you've done that, you have to remember that while you're doing this problem, you're supposed to try to bring 1, 0 and 0, 1 on the LHS. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're supposed to first get 1 on the as the first element, and as a third element you're supposed to get 0, and then your fourth element has to be 1, and then the second element has to be 0. So now that we got 1 and 0 in the first and third element, we're going to try and get 1 on your third element. So to get 1 on the third element, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the second row by 1 by 5. So 0 by 1 by 5 is obviously going to be 0, and 5 into 1 by 5 is going to be obviously 1. So we should also remember that we have to multiply the LHS and the RHS. So now your RHS is going to have the same operation done on it. So you're going to have minus 2 by 5 on the bottom row and 1 by 5 also. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get 0 on the second element. Okay, to get 0 on the second element, what we're going to do is we're going to take the first row and we're going to add it with the second row. So once you've done that, what's going to happen is you're going to have 1, 0 and 0, 1, and you're going to have another matrix on the RHS which is going to be 3 by 5 and 1 by 5 in the first row and minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 in the second row. So this matrix over here which you have on the RHS is going to be your inverse matrix. So that's going to be your answer.